Today we're gonna cook zucchini noodles with tomato and prawns. We will need 500 grams of zucchini noodles, garlic, tomato, chili, salt, pepper, prawns, olive oil and wine. First, we put the zucchini in a strainer with a little bit of salt for them to dry. Now we cut the garlic in small pieces. When the garlic is ready, we put some olive oil in a pan and we put also the garlic and we wait almost 3 minutes. In the meantime, we cut the tomatoes in 4 pieces. The tomato is ready, so we put the tomato in a pan with the garlic. And if you want, you can also add chili, a little bit. Five minutes later, we add the wine. And we move everything. We wait 10 minutes. And then we add the prawns and we let them cook during 10 minutes. We have to add also a little bit of pepper and salt. The last step is to add the zucchini noodles in the pan. And move everything during 2 minutes. It's ready to eat. Let's try how it tastes.